Elephants don't come out in the day. They stay up late until darkness falls over the Sahara, scattering itself. And with the moths, the elephants play, and they collect the moths, binding them together and using a lion's saliva. They attach into small wicker baskets in which the elephants sit, while the moths take them on a tour of the empty nothingness that is the Sahara. When the elephants land, one elephant decides not to sleep for the day. This elephant is nameless because it is an elephant, but for the purposes of this narration, we'll name it Big D, the Big D. Big D walks slowly in time with the sun as he witnesses its beauty for the first time in his life. If elephants could smile, his smile would have melted the sun, for he was content. Suddenly, he stumbled across a whole hole in the earth. He was startled. He fell, and Big D, the elephant, died.